Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, student, today I'm going to start the chapter from the book Moment, and the first chapter is The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand. So, here I will be giving you the introduction about the characters and the highlight of the chapter. And from tomorrow onwards, I will be taking up the explanation of the paragraph wise. But today, we will, I will give you the introduction of this chapter, the characters of this chapter, and the highlight of the chapter. So the introduction means the theme of the story is like this. This is the story of a child who goes to a fair with his parents and very much excited. The child is very happy and wants everything from the fair, like the toys, the gulab jamun, the barfi. He wants to go for a garland of gulmohar and wants to listen the music of the snake charmer, and also to for a giant wheel that is called a roundabout. So he just wants to have everything from that fair. So he wants sweets, toys, which was displayed in the shop, but his parents don't buy them for him. Soon the child gets lost and separated from his parents. While engrossed in enjoying the colorful fair, this causes panic in his mind. So then he refuses when someone else who finds him offer all those things to him. He wants nothing, only his parents. So here the story is about the lost child. So here the author tries to explain the mind of a child, and that's why the story also highlight a child's love towards his parents. Like the child goes to the fair with his parent, and he was very much excited and want everything that was displayed there. But as I told you that the parents don't buy these things for him. So and after soonly he gets separated from his parents, and he as he left behind looking of various toys and other things. When he realizes that his parents are nowhere near him, he started crying, and he refuses everything which is offered by other man. Other man means the kind hearted man who found him in that fair when he was lost or when he was separated from his parents. Now he only wants his parents, and he was keeps crying because his parents was not there with him. Now the characters, the lost child means the main central character of this chapter. He is the central character who gets fascinated with the items at the village spring fair and loses control with his parents, and he becomes heartbroken, loses interest in everything, and cries for his parents. Now the parents keep on asking the child to remain with them, but are careless enough to lose him at the fair. Means it is about the parents. Now the person who find him, that is a kind hearted man. He is a very helpful person who tries to distract the child by offering him many things, but he fails because he was continuously crying for his parents. Before that, he was asking everything from his parents, which he is seeing in the shops or in the fair. Fair means mela. So now I'll go with the highlight of the chapter, and that highlight is given in the points wise. So that I will be, this is the first point, and in this point I will be explaining you how the child is looking, and he was very much happy and fascinated towards the things which he always sees in the fair. So person who find the third person is the person who finds him. So he is a very helpful person who tries to distract the child by offering him many things, but fails as he was asking continuously for his parents. Now the next one is the child goes to the spring fair with his parents. So as I told you that it is a festival of a spring, and everyone in a happy mood and is going to the fair, and where the child is also going to the fair with his parents. He is very happy and excited. On the way to the fair, the child enjoys every moment and also gets fascinated towards natural beauty. In the fair, the child is attracted towards sweets and the toys displayed in the shop. And he also feels attracted towards the garland of gulmohar. Garland of gulmohar means that was a gulmohar is a flower, and he wants that flower जो माला बनती है ना, that is called a garland of gulmohar, and the delicious gulab jamun. But his parents resist from buying anything for him. The child wants to play, climb trees, catch the dragonflies and the butterflies, but again his parents won't let him do any of this. The child sees snake charmer. Snake charmer वो जो बीन बजाते हैं, जो for to on that music the snake started dancing, so that was called a snake charmer. So he likes music played by the charmer and wants to stay there for some time, but his parents again did not approve him to stay there and listen the music of the snake charmer. So as the child moves on which his parents, he sees a roundabout. Then he says, I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father and mother. So in this way he started asking, like he was always demanding everything from his parents, but his parents denies that they are going to buy anything. But he was very much fascinated by looking towards the dragonflies and the butterflies, everything on the street side when he was going to the fair. But every time whenever he asked from the from his parents that I want this, like the gulab jamun, barfi, or listen the music of the snake charmer, they deny that they were not going to buy anything for him. Now the next one is the child lost in the fair. And now how he was lost in that fair? After requesting his parents boldly for a roundabout, means now he just want to, and he was rigid to go on the roundabout. Roundabout is a giant wheel, so he just want to go on the roundabout. And he when he said to his parents, like he was looking at the roundabout and he was saying to his parents that I want to go on a roundabout, please father and mother. And when he didn't get any reply, he turns back. What he found that his to his surprise that there was no sign of his parents there, and he searches for his parents here and there. So the child realizes that he is not separated from his parents and he is lost. So he started crying bitterly. So in this way he found that he was lost from his parents, he was separated from his parents. Now the last one is a kind hearted man meets the child. So how that man was met with the child, that there's a big crowd and the little child tries to make his way between the feet of a people. Now, after hearing the cry of a child, a gentleman lends a helping hand to him. So, this gentleman offers goodies like all the toys and all the things which he was demanding earlier from his parents, in order to console the child so that he stopped crying. But instead of like having all those things, he just wants his parents back. So I just tell you the the things which is in the chapter. So I'll just summarize it again so that you will get to know what the chapter is about, because from tomorrow onwards I will be starting the chapter explanation. So if I go with a short summary again, that is the first thing. The child was in the like looking in the fair, that is the happiness in the fair. The little child was excited because he was visiting the fair, and this journey to the fair was very much excited for him. As on the way, he was often attracted by the things which he witnessed in the fair, and he was attracted by the toys which was displayed in the shop. He wants to buy the toys, but his parents refuse to buy them. And then there was a sweet shop in the fair, and several types of barfi, jalebi, gulab jamun was rasgulla was displayed there in that plate. But the child wants to eat them in the plates, and his favorite sweet was barfi, but his mouth watered, but his parents paid no attention to his request. Now the next one was that walking with his parents also, like he often walked behind his parents, and sometimes he was attracted by the things in the fair. As he was lagged behind by the parents, लैग्ड मतलब पीछे रह जाना, ठीक है. सो इन द मीन टाइम ही हिज पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो गिव हिम अ like a cautionary call, like child come here, child come here. Every time he was attracted by the toys, and he stand at the toy shop and wants to he started seeing all the toys. Now missing of the child, as I told you that the finally he came in the place where a roundabout was in full swing, and men, women and children are carried away in that swing motion. So what happened, the child also wants to go on the roundabout, so he made a request to fulfill his desire, but there was no reply from his parents. So actually he was attracted by the roundabout. He stayed and watched the roundabout. To his surprise, when he turned to look for his parents, he did not find them. So actually, he was lost. So when he asked from his parents that he wants to go on a roundabout, when he turned back, when he didn't get any reply, he turned back. What he found that there was no one, and he was lost, and he was separated from his parents. Now he started crying and searching for his parents here and there, and then a stranger tried to console him. So a kind man from the crowd came forward and picked him up in his arms. So he was ready to buy all the things he wanted earlier, but he refuses them now. And now he only said, "I want my mother, I want my father." So this time he just want what he just want. He just want his parents. So in this way, I had give you the explanation of the chapter in a very short manner, that what the chapter tells and what the chapter is about. So I guess students, like you have got to know the chapter highlights, that what the chapter is about. So from tomorrow onwards, I will be completing or taking up the chapter with the explanation part, so that you can go through it. I am giving you a homework, that just go through the first two pages of the chapter, find out the hard words, and also find out the meaning of those hard words. And if you are not getting any word meaning, you can you can ask from me in the class, in the WhatsApp class. And make sure that you have to do the question answers when I'll finish my chapter. So start making the notes. Don't you think that ma'am is not going to check the copy, school is not going to open. The school will open one day, and I'm going to check the copies, and I will give you the marks for that. And please students, it's a request that please start joining the GMeet class. I will be taking the GMeet class after a day, means alternate days, and please join the GMeet class every day. So every day or the alternate days, that is decided by me. I will share the link, and I will tell you that I will share the link at what time. So start joining the GMeet class, and if you have any query, you can ask from me in the GMeet class. So students, till then, just take care and stay safe and be healthy, and do study, and find out the word meaning of the hard words. And tomorrow I will be taking up the class again. Thank you students. Take care and bye bye.